Assalamu alaikum, good evening viewers. Welcome to World Geography with M.ADNAN. Today's tutorial is related to two indexes. One is DVI, Difference Vegetation Index, and other is a RVI, Ratio Vegetation. Both related to the vegetation, and especially here is one thing is that in this tutorial I'm going to show you in some finding of index we need the data in a band wise, but now I have data in a composite bands, and with the help of a global mapper software and this one software I'm going to show you how we can find the indices or ratio in a composite image or global image. So for this you need the data in imagine format, this one IMG, and as you can see it's about 13 bands composite one. Okay, so I'm already exported it for my work, and I'm going to showing you which I need to use. Wait a minute, I'll be showing you. Here is this one of our study area. As you can see, just this one selected. I uncheck this one. Okay, this is also IMG format, so I open it here in a global mapper and to showing you how I apply. Here is the two formulas I need to apply on it, but first I need to open this RAS imagine format, this one our data. This will be open. So I'm going to show you the formula which we need for it. So first we talk about formulas. Okay, here is a formula of DVI, Difference Vegetation Index, which formula is the NIR band, near infrared band, minus red band of your it's depend on your satellite, because both satellite like Landsat and Sentinel two have the near infrared and red band. So in the Sentinel 2 mostly bands are near infrared, but you can use the band 8 which have a resolution of 10 meter. So we have a data of Sentinel 2, so here we use the band 8 as an infrared vision and minus band 4 of Sentinel 2 data as a red band. So you need to check out which data you use of a Landsat or a Sentinel. So you need for it to identify which band in it near infrared and which band in it is a red band. Okay, so this is a formula of our DVI, and for RVI the formula is near infrared band is divided by band R, like red. I need to put here equal sign, as you can see. The same band 8 divided by band 4. I shortly write it, band 8 divided by band 4. So now I'm going to apply these formulas with the help of a global mapper software. So here I'm going to analyze one, then I'm going to the raster calculator. Okay, here is a big option is that we need to apply the formula, because in the specific formulas of this software which provided here, like as you can see, and DVI and ND and GI, morely, and this is already have formulas in this software, but we have our own formula because we have our own indices. So here I put the formula. Simple, this method you follow. First I find DVI, difference vegetation index of the same area of this. So you need to this formula, this one formula you need to apply: near infrared minus band red in a global mapper. So here we just simple capital B and a band 8 minus, okay, and band 4 bracket close, and we add it, okay, just simple, okay. Here it's taking time, so I little skip the video because I don't want to consume your time. So as you can see, our indices come. Now I need to export it for viewing in ArcGis desktop. We export it, this one, we check the calculated one, okay, and here we give the file type as a flow grid files, okay, because it's a grid value. We keep all the things same as it's showing, okay, nothing else to check here, and just okay it, and we get here the place of float grid. So we give its the name as a DVI, difference in vegetation index of Lahore, because it is a shape file of Lahore. So okay, so it's will going to be export for the ArcGis desktop. So okay, finally it's exported. Now we need to open it, we uncheck it, and we're going to the place where we save it. Here, as you can see, this showing here, okay, we edit simple no, and it will showing us in this. It is a value in a negative and positive, high or low, where the high value showing the vegetation part of our area, and the lowing part showing the non-vegetation area of, because it is a just simple difference between the vegetation and non-vegetation areas, okay. After this, the second index, which is known as the RVI, which is specifically used for vegetation, which reduce the atmospheric effect. You easily compare the result of DVI and RVI, as I am showing you. This is the build-up area, okay, like an airport or build-up areas or road or network. You can see the value is moderate here, because some of in homes or build-up areas will be vegetation, but here the value will be high, because this is the place of cropland or agricultural land. So here vegetation is high as compared to this, because it's a built-up area and urban area. So here is the vegetation is this. So now we going to apply the second index of our work, and lateral escaping inch. We need to select the first one, okay, and now we apply the formula. Here formula is the bracket band 8 divided by bracket close band 4, okay, simple. It's divided by near infrared with red at the bands, and okay, it's simple this, and it will be taking time, so I let it skip it. So as you can see, it will be completed. Now I need to export it for checking the difference and showing it to you on ArcGis. Simple method we follow, which we follow for DVI, and here we give its name RVI Lahore, okay, and save it. It's completed. So it's completed. So we open it on our ArcGis, and I am going to showing you the difference between the RVI and the DVI. Sorry about that. So I changed the color ramp by giving it to standard deviation. So it's clearly you can see the values and the changes between it. I just uncheck the color. You see the vegetation area. Not clearly it will be showing, but clearly it's showing in the water bodies. As you can see, this is the river path, okay, and water bodies both here. So I am showing you the DVI first. Now it's the DVI. As you can see, it's showing the area of water in the vegetation, but here is no vegetation according to the RVI. As you can see, it's a water body, okay, clearly showing, and with the low values of it is the urban, because RVI is a highly specific index which showing you the separate vegetation and water bodies and a better plan. So I hope this will help you in your thesis and your projects. So for more further information, you need to ask us in the comment section, and you can send us email on our email address which we share in the description. So for more informative tutorial, you need to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.